we're always looking for ways to make our work easier.
Yeah.
We were looking at AIagentstore.ai again, and we found an AI agent called Codev.
Yeah. I was immediately intrigued by this one.
Me too.
It claims to just build a whole website for you.
From just like a text description.
Yeah, just the description, like you would tell a developer.
Like imagine that. Like
you
say,
yeah.
I want a website that does this and this.
It uses Next.js to actually create a functional web application.
That's incredible. So someone like an entrepreneur who doesn't know how to code at all, they could come up with a product idea and have like a working prototype.
Yeah.
In just minutes.
Especially a designer.
Oh, yeah.
Who can just describe what they're looking for visually and have a working
website.
Yeah.
I mean, even like a startup founder.
Yeah.
Who needs to like get an MVP out there quickly.
Like super quickly.
This would be amazing.
So how does it work?
Yeah.
I was looking at it.
Yeah.
And it looks like the user inputs a description of their app, and the AI actually just writes the code for it.
So all the components, the styling?
Everything. It's designed for people who don't know how to code.
That's really interesting.
It is really interesting.
Like it really makes web development accessible.
Yeah, it really democratizes it because anyone could do it.
Yeah. And I read that it's backed by Y Combinator.
Okay.
And they already have a huge community of users.
Over 15,000 builders who've created more than 17,000 apps.
That's incredible. I mean, think about how this could really...
like change the landscape of web development.
Yeah.
Anyone with an internet connection can build a functional web app. That's what could be the potential for innovation.
That's a great point.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's dive into some specific use cases. So like,
for example, you're launching a new product and you need a landing page.
Yeah.
Immediately.
Yeah.
You could just describe that landing page to Codev.
And have it done in minutes.
That's right.
Or a simple e-commerce store.
Yeah.
Where you don't need like a super complicated back end.
Right, and you don't know how to code.
Yeah, you could just tell Codev, like, I need a store that sells these things.
Exactly.
They'll just build it for you.
Yep, and one thing I thought was really cool.
Yeah.
It has integration with Supabase.
What is Supabase?
It's an open source Firebase alternative.
Okay.
So it's like a backend as a service.
Okay.
With databases and authentication and all that stuff.
So what does that mean for the user?
It means that they can build really powerful apps with real-time data features.
And all without really having to understand the back end that much.
Yeah, that's right.
So it's powerful and easy to use.
Yeah, they have a freemium model as well.
Okay, so you can experiment with it.
Yeah.
So you don't even have to like fully commit to it right away.
You can play around with it.
It seems amazing.
Yeah.
But are there any downsides?
Well, one thing that comes to mind is that the code is closed source, so you don't actually have access to the code that it generates.
Also, you can't like tinker with it and modify it.
Yeah, so if you're a developer who wants full control, that could be a problem.
Okay, so that's definitely something to consider.
Yeah, but overall, really impressive.
Codev really is revolutionary. Like, it's changing the way we think about web development.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, it makes you think, like, what could we build if we didn't have to worry about coding?
What kind of problem could we solve?
Yeah, or what kind of new thing could we create?
And maybe Codev is the tool to do it.
Yeah. If you want to learn more about Codev or other incredible AI agents, head over to AIagentstore.ai.
You won't be disappointed.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.